Enterprise project management offices often don't struggle because they lack tools. They struggle because they lack visibility. Many organizations invest heavily in project and portfolio management software. Yet they still cannot answer a simple question: what is the real-time status of our portfolio right now? This guide explains a practical, step-by-step approach to remove portfolio blind spots. It uses governance, standardized reporting, and modern dashboards. Tools like Microsoft 365, Teams, and FridayReport.ai can work as a central reporting layer. Why do enterprises struggle with project and portfolio management software? The main reasons are fragmented tools, inconsistent data entry, no governance standards, and poor integration between systems. These problems lead to unreliable reports and low user adoption. Real-time visibility is hard because project data is often delayed, manually updated, and stored in different systems without standardization. This makes dashboards inaccurate or out of date. To achieve real-time portfolio status, start with Step 1. Establish non-negotiable governance standards. Without governance, no tool will fix visibility. You need to define standard project lifecycle stages, a required update frequency, such as weekly with automation when possible, and mandatory data fields for schedule, risks, financials, and milestones. Enforce governance through templates in Microsoft Teams and project tools, not just through documentation. This directly addresses common implementation challenges, like inconsistent reports and low accountability. Step 2 is to standardize status reporting across all projects. You cannot compare what is not standardized. Create a unified reporting model. Use RAG or red, amber, green status definitions with clear meanings. Include a standard set of key performance indicators like schedule variance, budget health, and risk exposure. Also use a consistent narrative format that covers blockers, next steps, and decisions needed. Tools like FridayReport.ai can automate and normalize updates from Teams, Planner, Project, and other systems into a single structured report. This removes manual friction and improves portfolio visibility and reporting consistency. Step 3 is to centralize data across hybrid environments. Most enterprises run a mix of tools like Project Online, Project for the Web, Planner, To-Do, and even Excel-based tracking. To get real-time portfolio status visibility, you need a central data layer. This could be powered by Dataverse or reporting tools like FridayReport.ai. Use API or connector-based integrations. Stop using offline reports and email status updates. The key principle is to capture data once, then reuse it everywhere. Step 4 is to build real-time project tracking dashboards. Dashboards fail when they rely on outdated data. Instead, design dashboards that pull live data from integrated sources, highlight exceptions instead of just summaries, and show trends rather than snapshots. Core dashboard components include a portfolio health overview with RAG distribution, timeline slippage indicators, resource capacity versus demand, and risk heat maps. Using FridayReport.ai, you can generate auto-updated summaries and feed them directly into dashboards. This removes the delay between reporting and decision-making. Step 5 is to automate status collection. Do not rely on humans alone. Manual updates are the biggest bottleneck. Automate status reminders through Teams, data sync from project tools, and weekly summary generation. FridayReport.ai excels at collecting updates directly from contributors in their workflow, like in Teams, and structuring those inputs into executive-ready summaries. This reduces the reporting burden on project managers. It is critical for scaling enterprise project governance without increasing overhead. Step 6 is to align Microsoft 365 and Teams as the execution layer. For most project management offices, Microsoft 365 is already the backbone. Best practices include using Teams as the primary collaboration and update channel, storing project artifacts in SharePoint, using Power Automate for workflow triggers, and integrating reporting into Teams tabs for visibility. Then layer FridayReport.ai on top to unify reporting across all these tools. This ensures reporting happens where work already happens, which boosts adoption. Step 7 is to implement continuous governance and data quality checks. Real-time visibility is not a one-time setup. It is an ongoing discipline. Establish a weekly portfolio review cadence, perform data quality audits to catch missing or stale updates, and create feedback loops with project managers. Track reporting compliance rates, data freshness with last updated timestamps, and dashboard usage metrics. Without this, even the best project tracking dashboards degrade over time. When done right, your project portfolio management environment should give you a single source of truth for all project data. Updates should happen almost in real time without you having to chase people. Executive dashboards should reflect reality, not last week's version. Reporting should be consistent across all teams and tools. And most importantly, project management offices spend less time collecting data and more time making decisions. If your organization still struggles with enterprise project and portfolio management software, the issue is not the tool. It is the system around the tool. Real-time visibility comes from strong governance, standardized reporting, integrated data, and automated workflows. Tools like FridayReport.ai act as the missing layer that connects fragmented systems and turns scattered updates into reliable, real-time portfolio insights. Fix the system, and the visibility follows.